Today, I'm going to show you an experiment, smart street light using LDR as a sensor and LED as an actuator. So I want to use sensor and actuator in this circuit. So LDR, I'm using it as a sensor and LED as a actuator. So this is an electrical actuator. So this is a circuit diagram. And here you can use BC547 transistor or 2N3904 transistor. So or 2N222 transistor, any transistor you can use. And connection is, and the collector is connected to the cathode of the LED and the anode of the LED should be connected to 10 kilo ohm resistor, other end of 10 kilo ohm resistor to the base of transistor, and to the same base LDR one terminal is connected, other terminal, second terminal is connected to emitter is connected to ground, and anode is connected through one switch. So this experiment you can control the LED by manual method as well as a LDR method. So for that purpose, I have connected one SPST switch and one 9 volts battery or 10 volts power supply. So you can use 10 volts also here. So this is about the circuit diagram. Whenever sunlight falls on the LDR, the resistance of the LDR decreases. Here I have taken a torch in order to explain about the sunlight. So when the torch is near the LDR or when bright light falls on LDR, the LDR resistance decreases. This is the principle of LDR. Whenever the light falls on it, the resistance decreases significantly from several kilo ohms to few hundred ohms. Since LDR is connected to the base of the one terminal is connected to base and other terminal is connected to emitter, it creates a low resistance path. It creates a low resistance path. I'll show you. So it creates a low resistance path. So diverting the base current away from the transistor. This current will not go towards the base of the transistor. It will go through the low resistance path. The current will flow like this. Okay. So since the transistor will not get the enough current, enough base current, so the transistor remains off. So no current flows from. So when it is off, no current flows from collector to emitter. Therefore, LED remains off. So this happens when the torch, when you bring torch near to the LDR. When the torch is moved away from the LDR, so the circuit, what I have shown, it is away from the LDR. It means when there is no light falling on the LDR, you should understand it is darkness on the LDR. So when torch is moved away, there will be a darkness on the LDR. The LDR resistance increases. So when light falls on it, resistance decreases. When there is no light, resistance increases to several kilo ohms. So the 10 kilo ohm resistor, it will pull the base current. It will pull the base current towards the transistor. So it will pull the base current. 10 kilo ohm resistor pulls this base of the transistor high. So it will allow the base current to flow. So in this way, the current flows. So when current flows, the transistor turns on and it allows the current to flow from collector to emitter. So when current flows from collector to emitter, the LED turns on. So when you move away from the LDR, LED turns on. When you move towards the LDR, LED turns off. So in this circuit, you can say it as a dark activated switch, where the LED turns on in the absence of the light and turns off when exposed to the bright light. So this behavior is due to the LDR. This is LDR. LDR controlling the transistor base current. So for this purpose, I am calling it as a smart street light. So the definition title is smart street light using LDR and a LED. Okay. So now I'll show you how to construct this in a Proteus. Now I have already constructed this circuit in a Proteus. And this is my circuit. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to construct this. Now I'll show you already constructed circuit by me. Now I'll turn on the simulation. When simulation is on, since the torch is very away from the LDR, it means there is a darkness, the LED is turned on. Now I'll move the torch near to the LDR. You just see the LED condition. See, when it goes near to the LDR, LED turns off. So when the torch is moved away from the LDR, LED turns on. So with the help of manual control also, you can turn off the LED. With the help of this switch, when you open the switch, LED turns off. When you close the switch, LED turns on. And with the help of the torch also, you can control the LED. So this is about the smart street light. Now I'll show you how to construct using the Proteus. I'll close this project. I'll open the new project. Okay. So give the name of the project as LDR or any name. Click next, next, next. So you will get open the workspace. So here you have to choose the transistor, either BC107 or any other transistor, BC547 or 107, any transistor you can use it. So which transistor I have used? Okay. So here I have used BC547, the same transistor I'll use. Click OK. Place here. Okay. So I need one LED. I always prefer to use LED BB. Any LED you can use, animated LED. Click OK and connect this to the cathode collector of the transistor. If you want to use, you can use one current limiting resistor also here, 220 ohm resistor. Okay, then I'll use one resistor. So the value of this resistor is 220 ohm. I'll connect this resistor here. And I'll adjust the value to 220 ohm. Click OK. Then connect one end of, choose one battery. So here I am using active battery. Connect on the output circuit. Connect one end of, we need one SPST switch also. SPST switch. Select this and place here. Connect one end of resistor to switch. Other end of switch to battery. And from here to anode. And emitter to negative terminal of the battery. And emitter to ground also. Select ground and connect ground here. Now you select one LDR. Click on component, select LDR. So I'll select this torch. There are two LDRs here. Anyone you can choose. I'm choosing torch and LDR. I'll place here. Okay. So one end I'll connect. Drag little down. One end to base. Other end to ground. Okay. So I need one resistor. 10 kilo ohm resistor. Pull down resistor. Anti-rotate it. Connect one end of resistor to anode 220 ohm and other end to base of the transistor. Since it is already 10 kilo ohm, I will not change the value. Now you can run the simulation as I explained. So before that, you should close the switch. When you bring the torch near the LDR, LED should turn off. See. So in this way, you can use the Proteus to do this experiment. Okay. So this is all about smart street light using Proteus. Stop the simulation.